Hi there everyone, and welcome again to my channel. So we've got another video for today. So we've got right here is a pedicure set. Okay, yeah, okay. So this one called as a Willies the Arsenal. Yeah, look at that. So pedicure set. Okay, yeah, and it's also they got some also right over here. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay. Okay. Oh, they got a case. Okay. Okay, they got a case. Okay. This also perfect for EDC kit. Okay. This also perfect for EDC. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go gonna check it out. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go. There you have it. Nice. Okay. Look at that. So yeah, we got over here is also the Arsenal 10-piece toolkit. Okay. The English. Okay. Straight edge nail clippers. If you don't know what these are, then you probably need to back away and seek out a medical professional. Okay. Multi-purpose scissors. Got here in the PS unit 1. These bad boys take care of that. So standard edge clippers. Perfect for getting into those tight sports. Other clippers just can't. Okay. Tweezers. Handy little tweezers for plucking the hairs you don't want to cut but remove altogether. Nail file. They also got some nail file. Again, if you don't know what this is or how to use it, please step away from the Arsenal kit. Okay, and speak to your healthcare provider. This gotta be a joke. Okay, so we've got also a scraping tool. This guy is your best friend when it comes time to get rid of all that nasty stuff under your nails. Okay. Okay. Cuticle stick. Okay. When your woman tells you your nails look bad, take the loss, reach for the stick, and push those cuticles back where they belong. Alright, so we got some V-shape push stick. After you push those cuticles back, use the V-shape to remove the dead skin around your nails. Okay, and also they got also some needles and loop blackhead remover. Okay, that's nice one. Okay, okay. Ask the lady in your life. Okay, okay. She'll tell you. She'll tell ya. Seriously, handy tool. Okay, and they got also an ear pick. Okay. Use the pick to remove excess wax from ears in a pinch. Yeah. Nice, okay. Nice introduction. Nice writings over here. So got some, what is this called? Jokes from the makers of this one, right? Wild Willies the Arsenal. Yeah, this is a great EDC kit also. This is a great EDC pedicure set, right? If we want to bring some of this one, yeah, this will be good, right? This will be awesome, right? So just go gonna have to, yeah, we got some, and then also we got some. Is this are this sharp enough? Okay. Ooh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, I love it. Okay, this is really good. Okay, and also sharp. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna have to finish this one first before I'm gonna have to trim my nails. Okay, okay, before I have to trim my nails. Okay, we've got some what over here. Okay, this go gonna have to. This one is also I think this is the tweezer, right? Yeah, I believe. Yeah, and also they got some small right over here if you don't want to use it. Yeah, these are the tweezers. Okay, and then also this one also, yeah, this one right over here. Again, this one, and we've got also the blackhead remover. Yeah, this one right over here. Okay, okay, we got the blackhead okay, blackhead remover. Yeah, okay. and also we've got the earwax remover over here, right? So we got some scissors, we got some nail file, but you know, I'm gonna have to use my electric drill, okay? My electric nail file, okay? I'm gonna use my electric nail file, okay? This one is perfect combination with the videos that I made a couple of days, right? So the what is this called, the electric nail drill or nail file, yeah, that will be awesome, that will be good, yeah, perfect. So yeah, it is. So yeah, I'm gonna have to trim also my nail after this video, right? Okay, get some, yeah, hair in your, also, yeah, in your nose, yeah, this will be good also, nice, okay, that will be good. And also we've got another, this one right over here, we've got another one, yeah. So just for you know, just like that one at the, yeah, and also, yeah, ooh, that was sharp, okay, yeah, really sharp, okay, yeah, all right. So okay, yeah, that's it for the videos for this. So, and I hope you like it. Yep. Okay, there you go, guys. So we've got the Wild Willies, the Arsenal. Ooh, nice. And also they got a nice you know, like this one. And also they got some nice case for this one, right? So yeah, it is really good. Okay, you just have to press this one, okay? You just have to press this, and then there you go, there you have it. So yeah, and just also for this is a perfect EDC pedicure set. You can bring this anywhere also, right? You can bring this anywhere. So this will be a good handy dandy pedicure set, okay? It says through a manicure, the 10 pieces, okay? That's French, okay? That's French, okay? Yeah, through a manicure, okay? Yeah, so yeah, that's French, okay? I think this is this is made in French, okay? Yeah, so they got also their official site, official page. They got also the Wild Willies, and also they got Instagram Wild Willies, okay? You gotta have this one. You're gonna have this one, so it's perfect. I saw this on Walmart. Yeah, I saw this on Walmart. So I forgot what aisle is it. So you're gonna have to check it out if you're gonna have to check it out if you're interested for this one, right? So yeah. So I also so sorry for my voice. Yeah. Not good. I'm not feeling good today. So I got a cold and flu. And also got some cough, okay? So that not feeling good, not really feeling good, and also I got some headache. So yeah, there you go, guys. So this is really a great, this is gonna be a great EDC pedicure set for men or women. Yeah, for men or women. So this is a really nice set of pedicure sets. Wild Willies, the Arsenal. They are great. They love it. Yeah, I hope they have some EDC gears and gadgets, right? So yeah, EDC gears, and I hope they also what is this one? Perfect for the busy guy. This ultimate 10 pieces grooming kit from Wild Willies will keep you looking sleek and smooth at all times, even on the go. Yeah, you're right. Even on the go, you can bring this anywhere. Yeah? You can make this as an EDC, right? Everyday carry. Okay, we've got the Wild Willies, the Arsenal, right over here, and it's a really great, and also I really love it. So I'm gonna love this one, right? So yeah, there you go. So I believe they are French, I think. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna have to research for this one, and I'm gonna have to check some. I'm gonna have to check some of them, yeah, gears and gadgets if they have, right? Wild Willies, they are new. I think they are new. So yeah, so if ever someone out there know Wild Willies, yeah, comment down below. Comment down below how they started, okay, and where they are started. I don't know how to make the word, okay. So yeah, how they started. Yeah, this one is really nice. Face, hands, and feet, okay. Because you know this one right here, yeah, just like a French, right? So, what is this? Through the accessoire, okay. Pour so I don't know how to pronounce that one, but you know, yeah. But right here is through a manicure, the 10 pieces, yeah. It's really a French word right over here, as you can see. Yeah, that is really a French word, right? So all right, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned because I'm gonna be giving you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. Okay, here in my channel. Okay, so even though even though I'm not feeling well, I am still making videos. Okay, yeah, it's just for yeah. I still want to gain more subscription, right? So yeah, it's because I really need it. I really need to monetize my channel anytime soon for my medicine, right? So yeah, so if you are a kind of hearted person, yeah, you can donate in my Venmo account. Okay, I'm gonna make a Venmo also, right? So yeah, any amount will do for my medicine, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you won't follow upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much, and see you again on the next one.